Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So after hours, we have sort of tagged the previous all-time high. We are still battling with this level, which is it's normal. There's nothing really that's standing out that we need to be concerned, because that is typically what happens when you get to a major level. You start forming consolidations like this. This consolidation right now is a flat top triangle, which we have sort of broken. There's the top, there's our triangle. So we had a little bit of indecision yesterday, and then we got going, and after hours we have pretty much, I suppose on some charts you'll probably find that it's tagged it. On my chart we're like 1 point short, but I'll take that as being tagged at the moment. So what I'm waiting for is some structure now. So by the looks of things, the buyers are still trying to push this thing through to new all-time highs. Okay, so what we're waiting for is pullbacks, and we're looking to buy the pullback. So nothing's really changed. Strategy still stays exactly the same as it has been for pretty much the last couple of months. The only difference right now is the moves are fairly short and compact. One thing that you need to bear in mind is that the probability of us having a fairly strong move to the upside once we clear the all-time high, and that's pretty much 3402, just over there. So once we clear this area here, there's nothing to the left to hold it up. So then what you expect is a sort of a runaway, then a pullback to come and test it, find support, build a base, and then carry on up. So I'm still looking to buy. I'm looking to buy the pullbacks. Okay. The pullbacks at the moment, this is a fairly logical level that I have in right here. So 3389. So 3389 would be, or in that area. There's another area just below it, which is just as exciting. And you can see all these tails here. Okay, and that is 3387. So what we're looking for is a pullback into that zone, and then an opportunity to move to the upside. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm waiting for. The one thing you need to bear in mind is you've got multiple levels here. So every one of these tails on the hour is potentially going to offer you an opportunity to buy in. And you can see your take profits are fairly close. You need to keep taking profits at every level until we clear this all-time high. Okay, and this, you can see this bar here, that was at the open. So the open drives it down quite far, came down and closed this gap here. Buyer stepped in, and that was your major trade for the day. So that's what I'd be waiting for. European session, you probably find us just either range or just gently drift higher or gently drift lower. Then I would get out if I'm in any trades, wait for the open, give it 15 minutes, wait to see where we're going, and then look for the levels and get in on that. I still believe we are going to crack through here probably today. It's just the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are both pretty much flying at the moment, and that's where we're going to trade. We're going to trade with the direction which is up, and we're looking to buy in on the pullbacks. Only problem is the pullbacks are fairly shallow, so you need to be pretty strong-willed when you see the pullbacks come back. Don't expect it to fall lower down. Take the level. Have your trade position that you can have pretty wide stops and not worry about it. So if it does go to the next level, gives you an opportunity to add to the trade, and then continues the upside. Okay, remember guys, never risk more than 2% of your capital. I prefer risking no more than 1% per trade. Very rarely will I risk 2% unless I'm really sure of the level. Okay, so that's kind of my view today. Long it is, wait for the pullbacks, wait for structure, and then get in on the trade. And obviously we'll be using the 15-minute chart for that. Okay, anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.